What is up, y'all? I know it's kind of close because I'm like in my little corner where I make my wigs. So this is a Pixie Cuts 27-piece wig. Okay, I made this wig in like 2016 or 2017. You guys really liked my wig repair, wig revamp video, so I wanted to do another one. This is with some beauty supply hair. Okay, I made this wig over a year ago and the hair is still doing good. The only problem with it is that it's dry now and it hasn't been styled in over a year. I haven't worn it in about a year. So yeah, that's all that's wrong with it. So these are really good to use. All I do is shave them bald. As you can see, I just shave them and then I either make my wigs or style my wigs on these. I do have the mannequins that I use for like picture purposes. So the ones that you guys see in my pictures are different than these, you know, school mannequins. But I'm going to go ahead and revamp this wig. Okay. And I'm going to bring y'all along with me. All I'm going to be doing right now is applying some oil to it. So I'm going to be using this argan oil because it's super lightweight. This hair is dry. Off top, I'm expecting to have to cut some of the hair off if I need to, and I'm also going to be taking hair out of it if I need to. So I had originally longer hairs in front of my ear and some hairs going behind my ear. So I'm going to be using that same method when I go to style this. This wig was made using 30-second Salon Pro hair glue. So no, I did not sew this wig. The only piece that I did sew was this closure piece. I used the closure piece that came with the hair, the 27-piece hair, and I sewed it on. Let me see if I can find it. So this is a closure piece. And I sewed it onto the cap. And then I used the hair and I went all the way up to where the closure ended and put it on there. So when you use the closure piece that comes with it, you get a seamless ending for the top of your wig, which is very important because you don't want it to look wiggy or fake. So I'm just combing it all out before I start flat ironing it. That's very important. It'll literally bring your wig back to life. It'll start the process. So that's what we're going to be doing. You do not have to wash this hair. You can wash beauty supply hair if it is 100% human hair, but I never do because my hair never gets that raggedy to the point where I need to wash it. If I can't revamp it, then I just throw the hair away. So there is a time where you literally cannot save the hair, so you'll just end up having to throw it away. This hair has been worn a long time, but when I did wear it, it wasn't every single day, so it's still in good shape. I made this wig over a year ago, as I said, and it still looks good. So let's get to styling it.
the burbs, many words you meant. And some old song I know, it won't get out of my head. All that feeling's gone, love ain't disappeared. I've been missing what you love like, love like, love like, love like, love like, love like. But it don't mean we can't spend love like, love like, love like, love like. I remember what you love like, but it don't mean we can't spend. We were out to find me a house with a white picket fence, with a tie to a new life, present tense. Stopped at the drive-in of our spring fling, and the radio played that song we used to sing. Hey, time to think about it. You know I think about it. Hey, sometimes I think about it. Hey, and some old song I know, it won't get out of my head. And all that feeling's gone, the love ain't disappeared. I've been missing what you love like, love like, love like, love like, love like, love like. But it don't mean we can't spend. Hey, love like, love like, what you love like, love like. I remember what you love like, but it don't mean we can't spend. Hey. Yeah, MJ and Mariah, yeah, Nirvana, yeah, ha, ha. MJ and Mariah, ha, Nirvana, yeah. I can't leave Mary Blige, TLC and Left Eye. Listen, no, I don't want no scrubs. Scrubs is a guy who ain't getting no love from me. Hanging at the passenger side with your best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy who ain't getting no love from me. Hanging from the passenger side with your best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
This is the final results. All I did was add some bamboo earrings and some purple lips. Basically this wig fits super snug, like flat on my head. I love it. I used to be so obsessed with this wig when I first made it, and now I see why. it was just so cute, and I got it to look like how it did when I first made it, which I'm excited about, so I can keep wearing it. I haven't worn this wig in over a year, so now that it's revamped, I can start wearing it again. I love it. I did like the little pin curl type look because I feel like it works good with the 27 piece. So I just like to push it up a bit. I feel like that fits my face more and it looks a lot better. My eyebrows are not filled in. All I did was tweeze them. So basically I'm giving y'all like natural brows today. Anyway, the wig is just everything. I'm happy I shaped it up though, because before I would be fighting with this hair staying behind my ear and stuff like that. I don't know why I didn't cut it more when I first made it, but now it stays in front and behind my ear, so I'm happy about that. This, you pretty much just split it where you want it to go, sort of like with a full sew-in. You have to split it where you think it will look best. So I split mine's right here. As you can see, nothing is wrong with it. That's a little close-up. Nothing is wrong with the wig. I took a little bit of the color out. I took 4 tracks out. One of the color because I felt like it was just too much color in the top, which you guys will see earlier in the video. Then I took out 3 of the black tracks so that it's not as full in the front and then on the sides, because I felt like it was just sticking up. So I took that out and I'm gonna spin around for you guys. Love it. It's so cute. And it fits like super snug. I feel like now that my hair is short, it's like a perfect fit. Before, like with braids underneath it, what is up with this piece right here? Not feeling it. So I'm about to tuck that. Boom. So before, I felt like I could feel like the wig up a little bit when I had braids underneath, but it just fits so snug with my haircut. I don't know if it's just because I'm bald headed now or what, but I like how it fits now. So definitely gonna be wearing this wig a lot more. I'm happy I did another wig revamp because you guys liked the last one. That is like my most watched video right now, so I decided to do another one. I have yet to do a 27 piece on my channel, so I wanted to add that in there. I swear this is giving me like mom vibes or like auntie vibes, but I love this wig. Like, I just love it so much. This used to be my favorite wig, y'all. I'm happy that I revamped it. I used to wear this. I made this while I was in beauty school, and I used to wear it to school like every other week because I didn't want to wear it like every day. But they didn't think that I was gonna wear a 27 piece style because they never saw me in it. But I used to wear my hair like this all the time. I have pictures of like me with the gold and black. I did purple before, and then this burgundy. So I feel like 27 pieces probably isn't for everybody, but a lot of people can get away with it if you do it right, if you do it to fit your face. You don't always have to do like a bowl cut or a side bang. You can do like something like pin curly like in the face. I love it. Then I have like the peekaboo color right here. Felt like I wanted to keep a little bit over there so that it wouldn't look dull, but it's so cute. So cute. And then this up here, I pretty much just styled it the way that I wanted to. Like I said before, this wig is glued with hair glue. So the fact that it lasted over a year, that tells you something. They don't break apart easily. I don't think I ever showered in this wig, so when you first make the wig, don't shower in it because I'm pretty sure your tracks are gonna loosen up. But I don't know. I love it. It looks so freaking cute. Like, I like it. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Slay Dolls.
You remember the time when we fell in love? Cause I remember the night when you had enough of my creeping.